Come along with me on my morning walk. I am enjoying the weather like every morning on my break. And in Southwest Florida, it is usually a very nice weather. It's either hot and humid, or the temperature goes down and you're kind of cold because you're going from 90 and with a humidity of 50% or more to 57, which you would think it wouldn't mess up with you so much, but it does. So the sunshine, almost every day we have sunshine, and the greenery, or whatever you want to call it, I love, because the palm trees and the birds so you do have a mix of everything. But when it gets humid and hot, it gets humid and hot. Well, some people prefer it humid and hot and all the time, 365 days of the year, but I kind of like the variation of the weather. Yeah, definitely. Let's enjoy the walk. We can stay healthy by a 15-minute walk every single day. Morning and afternoon, that makes it 30. And if you go to the gym, enjoy doing exercise for 30 minutes, that adds up. So that's an hour every single day without you realizing. Look at that. Sprinklers are on. Sprinklers are on. You might have a shower and you might have a little shower refreshment. Definitely. And we have some wind, a breeze. So that's good too. Very nice. The sprinklers are on. It's a very short walk. And then we can see, you can hear that, the birds chirping. So it's awesome. It's an awesome walk. But this lake it hasn't rained, so it's going down in the level of the water. So the water level is kind of going down. I don't see much water. So we need rain, and we haven't had rain for the longest. So that's one thing here too. You have to watch that people doesn't run over you, because they are anxious to get to wherever they're going in. We have the flowers. So we have flowers, beautiful flowers. Look at that. Love it. Those are beautiful flowers. And you can see the palm trees. And it's almost every day the same walk, but the weather changes. And that's what makes it interesting. And not every day we see the same little creatures, birds and turtles and you name it. We get a little bit of everything. Except that we have a natural pond, so you see the little doves and the birds. And we have the palm trees. I don't know, but I didn't see these palm trees yesterday. Now that I talk about it. Well, were they here yesterday? They seem new to me. I don't know. Anyway, those are jasmine flowers. I think I've posted some of these before. But this is my view every single day. And I love it. Love it, love it.